better thingy too.
Our aim is to show you also the mundane things that we have to do, not just the highlights of our trip. Ain't that right?
I should put this to dry.
Where?
Yeah.
I don't know, wherever it makes sense. Where was it last time? Well, maybe shake it first, at least, just like get some shit off. All right, so right now we're beginning our long hike of the day.
We're starting a little late.
We're starting a bit late. Hopefully we'll be back before dark though.
Sweet.
Otherwise we're kind of fucked. If you look around you, you'll see these chicken wires around cars. That's because there's porcupines here. And porcupines will eat your tires, wires, brake lines, undercoating. Protect your car with a fence chicken wire if you leave it overnight.
Hey, we should be doing like Map My Walk, isn't it? Oh, do you have the bear spray?
11:22. No, I don't.
Okay, we need that.
You're probably right. Go back and get the bear spray. So we're beginning our hike for real this time. Right?
I think so.
Let's
Whoa,
see.
this has made my bag even heavier.
Well, it's your idea to bring it. I'm not afraid to fight bears off with my bare hands.
Alright, man.
Langies rolling her eyes.
That's so not a good hiking backpack.
This is Langie. See how she's really uncomfortable holding on. She's got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'm not comfortable
5 straps.
I'm not comfortable at all. We get caught out here overnight. I've got a safe.
But you're definitely going to be more cold than me. I brought the light stuff.
I brought the lights up too.
Did you bring the thermals?
Yep.
Are you lying?
Nope.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. This right here. Oh shit. This is what. You think that's funny? You think it's funny, hey, when you step on my toe like that?
Every time you're trying to introduce. Every time you're trying to introduce a cool thing, something else happens. Like that time when you were looking in the console and you were trying to tell people about your cool contraptions. And then you were like, oh shit, fuck me. It's not working.
Alright, and to give a tour of this amazing.
Oh my god.
new... Are you kidding? See this crazy setup here? Look at that. This is a power bank. Oh no, not again. Oh, why does it do that? Very funny, Langie. So right here we have what would look to be a very nice view if it wasn't for the smog.
Lack of view.
Yes. But you can still see that it's kind of like this would be cool, you know? Hypothetically.
Better,
Yeah, you can kind of get a nice view over there. But look how high it goes. Cool. So we've arrived at Kokanee Lake. Pretty nice. Yeah, well, how far is it actually? Alright, lunchtime.
First lunch.
Yeah, nice view here of the lake. Little meadow behind us.
Don't look at our plastic, guys. We're learning and growing as we go. We're gonna become more.
Oh, there's a squirrel right behind us. Oh no, what are you? Hello. That's not a squirrel, that's one of them. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
He's gonna pop out here. Oh, there he is. Oh, he tried to take my GoPro. Yeah.
Oh, I just want to pick him up and like cuddle him. Hey, mister, you want to come with us? No, you've got your own little house here, haven't you? So you're happy.
Stand at attention. Attention. I love it when they do that.
They get curious.
Where'd he go? Yeah. Wow, that's so nice. Is that sand? Yeah. That's kind of... Anyway, only that. The positives of smog is like, wow. Sure. Okay. Cool.
Either here, maybe.
Yeah.